This is Janet gun welder here. What we have here is we have a side retraction. When you pull this up, you can rotate it. And this actually rotates the electrodes right here, like this here, so you can get it part in. You rotate it back. You snap it back down, and you're straight again, ready to weld. On here we have a cable taken from my power from here up to my upper arm. This here's a kickless water-cooled cable. This is also a water-cooled cable. We have a rotary bill here so you can rotate the gun and get in different areas. From here to here we have a 20-inch throat right now. This can be adjustable by loosening the two bolts here, slide it in or out to give you a different distance. Right here is a 4-inch bore weld cylinder. We have your two initiation triggers here, which is the first stage on the right-hand side, second stage on the left-hand side. We have a balancer here that holds the gun. You can see it. It's very easy to pull down, pull up. So it's not that heavy now. It's all water cooled. You have a knockout, this is right here to knock out the electrode here, one on the bottom. If you want to move this in and out, you loosen up a bolt right here or right here. There's a slide in and out here. Same down here, slide in and out. You can slide in and out about maybe an inch, maximum. Now right here we have our cable, the little bouncer right here with the cable, holding the cable up. This goes to our transformer here. Our transformer is a 75 kVA gun style transformer. It has this 20 volt secondary on it. We have a weld valve here, the FRL here. You have your air goes in right here. You have a regulator. We have it set about 40 psi. We have the going down to a valve. These two hoses goes over to our weld cylinder. But right here, if you want to manually override the cylinder, you can by this going right here. A little plunger right here. It's a manual override. This way, in case your cylinder is not working, you can make sure your valve's working that way. Right here is where you have your power input. The power input here would be 75 kV. It should be 150 amps, 440, single phase. Over here we have the interlock controller. We have it right here in Spanish, so hopefully this helps you out here. The controller here, we have 3 different schedules. Repeat, on, off, weld, on, off. Here's our water in and out, or water manifold. You have water in, water out right here. You can hook it up from this side or from this side. This side is plugged right now. Up here is our boom station. This boom here pivots. You move it 180 degrees on the unit here. The balancers here are trolleys, so you can scoot it all the way back here if you have to get into something. Pull it back out. Okay, now on the 108 volt controller here, as I stated, we have schedule Group A, Group B, and Group C by just pressing this here. On Group A, you have 0 to 99 schedules. Group B, you have 0 to 99 schedules. And Group C, the same thing. Now right here, if you press the red button here, that scrolls you all the way down. Okay, you have squeeze delay. That lights up, squeeze delay time. For what you're doing, you will not need it. You have squeeze time. On squeeze time, you have like a half-inch opening, about 30 cycles. So you're going to hit 3, 0, okay? And there's 60 cycles in a second, so that's a half a second. Hit the red button. Impulses, 1 impulse. Cool time, 1. Red button. Heat time, that's the amount of time that the transformer's on for. Right now we'll hit at 10 cycles. Heat percentage, you start out at 50%. That gives you approximately 12,000 amps on tap 8. Quench you won't use, temper time you won't use, temper percent you will not use. Hold time, about 10 cycles should be good. Off time, one time you will use off time is if you're in the repeat mode. If you're in the repeat mode, then however much time you give it, say 25 cycles, that's how long it's up for before it comes back down. The upslope steps in is for welding galvanized. If you're not welding galvanized, you will not use it. Percent heat per step goes with upslope. Once again, no galvanized, do not use it. That's your program right there. So you have repeat, like I say, once again, on, off, well, on, off. Now over here, we have, let's say your first stage, you hit it, bring some tips together. If you release it, nothing happens, okay? This one here is your second stage. If you press it, nothing happens. As you see, nothing's happening. Now once I hit the first stage, when I hit this one here,